guys, today I'm gonna make bulldaki. So I have milk, mozzarella, pizzeria, and bulldog. So we're gonna wait for that to sink in and drain it. Drink it. Bye. Ooh, I think okay na yan. She's eating chicken, guys. Draining. Okay, wait. Stop. Wait lang, a bit more pala. A bit lang. Okay na. And then, we're gonna go to the milk.
Sarado pa yan.
I know.
Okay na.
Can you record? We're gonna add milk. A lot of milk. And then we're gonna add bulldaki sauce. Bulldaki.
Kunti lang.
Madami.
Madami. Napadami.
And we're gonna add more milk.
Sala naman yung camera ko eh. Hawakan mo. Taka maghahalo. Mainit yung taka ng kaldera. Mamaya na yung sauce. Ay yung pag wala ng sabaw.
We're gonna keep on stirring until it's done. Okay, so guys, we're gonna add the mozzarella cheese now. Okay.
Damihan mo para na may ano katulad ng nakaraan.
Cheese ball.
Yun yung gano'n. Tama na, dami na.
Ooh, look at this, guys. Look. Oh, ate Bing, oh.
Patay na yung ako. Mas madami ngayon.
Did you hear that, guys?
Mayroong buhok. May buhok dun sa ano, Liana.
Cheese ball yan.
Buhok. Get the,
Okay, I'm gonna share with my mom now, guys. Bye.